How to find Twitter username and password. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can find your password and username on Twitter. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to open up Twitter on your mobile phone, or you can also open it up on your laptop or PC. So I have opened up Twitter on my mobile phone. You can also download the application, or you can open it up on your browser. Then you have to log into your account. I have logged in as well. So once you log in, this is what you see. Now at the top left corner, you will get your account option. So you're going to click right here at the top, and now you will get the account info. So here at the bottom, you have settings and support. So you're going to select settings, and then you have to select setting and privacy. Once you select setting and privacy, then you have your account, security and account access, and more. So here you select account, your account option. And then we have account information, change your password, download, and more. So click on account information. Now you have to enter your password to confirm. Once you click on confirm, it will show you your password and your username on Twitter. Now for just privacy reasons, I'm not showing you that option, but you just log in, and then it will show you, and you can edit that option really easily. You can edit your username and your password on Twitter. You can also do this on any device, iOS or Android. You can do this on laptop or PC. It's very easy. Within your account option, you will also get change your password. You can see at the second option. So click on change your password, and you will be able to do so. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.